Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a group on Telegram. And this is very simple, so please do the following steps that I will show. Alright, first open your Telegram app and from here tap right in the top on this icon. From here tap on new group and from here you can add the contacts or the person that you want to add in your group. I don't give access to my contacts because I have a lot of contacts and I won't show their privacy. So from here, if I want to add someone, I can tap on here, and if I search for Mike, tap on Mike. We added one person called Mike in this group. You can add up to 200k people. I think I don't have that much friends, but if we do next from here, we can give our group a name, YouTube. And if we do now create, we just created a group and I can send Mike the invite link because I'm not a friend of Mike. But here's the group, this is how it works. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.